In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request edit access in Google Sheets. It's a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes, and I'm here to walk you through each step to make sure everything is crystal clear. First, let's start by opening the Google Sheet that you want to edit. If you already have the link to the document, click on it and it should open in your browser. If not, go ahead and log into your Google account and navigate to Google Drive. Here you can search for the specific Google Sheet you need, either by scrolling through your files or using the search bar at the top. Once you have the sheet open, you might notice that you don't have edit permissions. At the top left corner of the screen, there'll be a small label that reads, View Only. This indicates that you currently have limited access to the document and cannot make any changes. However, don't worry, as there's a way to request the edit access you need. Now that you've confirmed you're in View Only mode, look for a button that says Request Edit Access. This typically appears either near the View Only label or within the drop-down menu if you click on that section. Go ahead and select this option to initiate the access request. Clicking on Request Edit Access will open up a small form in a pop-up window. Here's where you have the opportunity to communicate directly with the owner of the document. You can add a personalized note explaining why you need edit access. This is a great chance to quickly highlight your reason for needing these permissions, whether it's for collaboration purposes or to make updates. Once you've entered your message, the next step is to locate the Send Request button within the form window. Give it a click, and your request will be sent directly to the document owner. It's helpful to know that this triggers an email notification to the owner, alerting them of your request for access. At this point, your part of the process is complete, and it's up to the file owner's discretion to grant you edit permissions. It's always a good idea to follow up with them if you don't hear back in a timely manner, especially if this is an urgent matter. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to request edit access in Google Sheets. This straightforward process allows for seamless collaboration, making sure that everyone involved can contribute efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!